AI is one of the trading narratives in crypto that makes investors lots of money. So if you can find a low-cap AI gem coin with good use cases, utility, great tokenomics and fundamentals, and finally the right hype, then you can make money from it. Today, I want to talk about Palm AI. When I got reached out to make this video, I saw that the coin has done over 1000% in the past months. That is a 10x. It has a market cap of just 45 million, which is very low. And if you compare this with one of the top AI coin, Fetch.ai, that has a market cap of 1.4 billion, it means that Palm AI has the potential to do an extra 35x. And this is not financial advice. Now, let me give you more details. I'll talk about what the project is, its tokenomics, token utility, and 3 ways to make money with the Palm token. What is Palm AI? If you look at the color of Palm AI logo, what does it look like? Yes, Google. Palm AI is a multi-platform AI chatbot. It is powered by a mix of Google's suite of AI tools and Palm team innovative algorithm. Palm AI is built collaborating Google's AI, Google Cloud, 0x protocol and Skills, which is the layer 2 scaling solution. They even plan to integrate open AI video generating AI, Sora. Now, there are 2 things that makes Palm AI stand out. One is that the information you give the chatbot have other options apart from just text. You can give it an information using voice. You can give it an input using images. For example, you can take a picture and upload it and tell it identify where the image was taken. The second thing that makes it stand out is that you can build your own AI tool using Palm's Undervalued, tailored to your specific need, and even offer this your AI as a service to customers with your own branding. You don't need to know a line of code to do this. Now, what are the tokenomics? The total supply is 100 million, but 21% of the supply was burned at launch, bringing the current total supply to 79 million. And all these are in circulation. Its market cap and the fully diluted market cap are both 44.8 million at the time of shooting this video. If you go to Desk Screener and look at the liquidity, it has a healthy liquidity of 1.4 million and is listed in only one centralized exchange, MEXC. So there might be more room for growth when it gets listed on more centralized exchanges. Now, one of the utilities of holding the Palm coin is that it grants premium access to its chatbots. Half of all revenue generated from the development is distributed to Palm holders. There is, however, a 3% of buying and selling Palm. 1% of this goes to the continued development of the AI chatbot, and 1% is for marketing, and the other 1% goes to the Palm stakers. So what are the 3 ways to make money with a Palm token? One is that holders of the Palm token receive half of all the revenue generated from Palm coin businesses according to the proportion they are holding, and this is paid in Ethereum with no transactional fee. Currently, over 87,000 has been distributed already to Palm holders. 2 is the staking reward. Those who stake Palm receives 1% of the transaction tax. And number 3 is that you can make money trading Palm. Palm has grown by over 1000% in the past months, letting investors 10 times their initial investments. It is currently retracing and presents another entry opportunity for the next big move. So you can conduct your technicals and pick up the coin as a trader. If you want to learn how to trade and get free signals, check out my Telegram group. It is free for now. I'll leave all links to Palm AI socials in the description, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. By how many % do you think Palm will grow in the coming months?